Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School Toddi, Kudagodji. And today we will read the remaining question of exercise 3.2. And let's start the question number 4 of exercise 3.2. If A is equal to matrix A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 2 and matrix B is equal to 0 4 minus 1 7, then find 3A square minus 2B. Okay, given that 3A square minus 2B is equal to 3 into A. A square is equal to A into A cube A into A minus 2B. Putting the value of matrix A and matrix B, 3 into matrix A 2 minus 1 3 2 into 2 minus 1 3 2 minus 2 into matrix B 0 4 minus 1 7. Okay, matrix A into matrix A. Three into first row of matrix A into first column of matrix A. First row 2 minus 1, first column 2 3. It means 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay. Again, first row into second column 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. Okay. And second row into first column 3 into 2 6 plus 2 into 3 6. Again, second row into second column 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 2 4 minus 2 into 0 0 2 into 4 at 2 into minus 1 minus 2 2 into 7 40. Okay, is equal to 3 into 4 minus 1 1 minus 4 12 plus 1 minus 0 at minus 2 14. Okay, is equal to 3 into 1 3 minus 3 into 4 minus 12 3 into 12 36 3 into 1 3 minus 0 at minus 2 40 implies 3A square minus 2B is equal to matrix A minus matrix B. It means 3 minus 0 3 minus के 12 minus के 8 minus के 20 36 minus minus plus, it means 36 plus 2 38. Okay, 3 minus 14, it means minus 11. That is answer. Okay, next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू कोस एक्स माइनस साइन एक्स 0 साइन एक्स कोस एक्स 0 0 0 1 सो दैट एफ ए इंटू एफ बी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, यानी लेफ्ट इज इक्वल टू राइट, दोनों हमें शो करनी है. ये हमें क्वेश्चन के अंदर कंडीशन दी गई, गिवन दैट आपके पास ही. ठीक है, लेफ्ट साइड एफ ए इंटू एफ बी एंड राइट साइड एफ ए प्लस बी. राइट RHS is equal to F A plus B. Okay. According to question, Fx is equal to cos x minus sin x cos x, and F A plus B. It means x is equal to A plus B. So cos A plus B minus cos sin A plus B 0 sin A plus B cos A plus B 0 1 0 0. Okay. Right side is equal to F A plus B. It means Fx F A plus B, x is equal to A plus B. And left side is equal to F A into F B, F A into F B. Hence F A is equal to F A. Fx is equal to cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0. Fx F A, it means x is equal to A. Cos A minus sin A 0 sin A cos A 0 0 0 1. And F B is equal to cos B sin B 0 sin B cos B 0 1 0 0. So LHS is equal to F A into F B. It means matrix F A into matrix F B. Cos A minus sin A 0 sin A cos A 0 0 0 1 into cos B minus sin B 0 sin B cos B 0 0 0 1. Matrix F A into matrix F B. Implies LHS is equal to first row of first matrix F A, first row cos A minus sin A 0 into first column of matrix F B, matrix F A into matrix F B, first row of matrix F A into first column of matrix F B, cos A into cos B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, 0 into 0 0. Okay, first row into second column, cos A minus cos A sin B minus sin A cos B, first row second column and first row third column, cos A into 0 0 sin A into 0 0 1 into 0 0, it means 0. Again second row into first column, second row into second column, second row into third column, similarly. Okay, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B and minus sin A sin B plus cos A cos B 0 1 0 0. Okay, is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Formula of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus B. Minus 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 common, it means cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. Formula of sin A plus B. 0 sin A plus B cos A plus B 0 1 0 0 is equal to right side. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. If matrix A is equal to something and matrix B equal to something, then prove that A into B power of T is equal to B of T into A of T. T, it means transpose. Matrix, transpose of matrix B into transpose of matrix A. Okay. Left is equal to right. Before A into B, so A into B, matrix A into matrix B. 4 2 minus 5 1 0 3 into 6 minus 7 0 minus 1 2 5 1 0 2. Matrix A into matrix B. First row into first column, first row into second column, first row into third column. Again, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay, is equal to first row, first column, 4 into 6, 24. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Okay, first row, second column, 4 into minus 7, minus 28, 2 to 4, minus 5 into 0, 0. First row, third column, 4 into 0, 0, plus 5 into 2, 10, minus 10. Okay. Second row into first column, 1 into 6, 6, 0, plus 3. Again, first row into second column, minus 7, plus 0, plus 0. Second row into third column, 0, plus 0, plus 6. Okay. A into B is equal to A into B equal to 17 minus 24, 0, 9, minus 7, 6. Okay. So, left is equal to A into B of T. It means matrix, transpose of matrix AB is equal to matrix AB 17 minus 24, 0, 9, minus 7, 6. Transpose is equal to 17 minus 24, 0, 9, minus 7, 6. That is left side, LHS. Okay. Again, right side, RHS is equal to transpose of matrix B into transpose of matrix A. Before, so transpose of matrix B is equal to transpose of matrix B is equal to 6 minus 7 0 minus 1 2 5 1 0 2, and transpose of matrix A is equal to 4 2 minus 5 1 0 3. And right implies RHS is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. 6 minus 1 1 minus 7 2 0 0 5 2 into 4 1 2 0 minus 5 0 implies RHS is equal to first row, first column, first row, second column, and second row, first column, second row, second column. Similarly, third row, first column, third row, second column. Okay, it means is equal to 17, 9, minus 24, minus 7, 0, 6 is equal to left side. RHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Prove that x, y, z into matrix is equal to ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2xy plus 2fyz plus 2gzx. Okay, left is equal to right, so left side is equal to x, y, z into a, h, g, h, b, f, g, f, c. Okay, into x, y, z. Multiplication of three matrix A, B, C. First A into B. Matrix A into matrix B. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay. X, Y, Z, A, H, G. It means A, X, A, X plus H, Y plus Z, G. Again, first row, second column. Hx plus by plus zf. Similarly, first row, third column, gx plus fy plus cz into x, y, z is equal to first row, first column. Ax, hy plus zg into x. It means ax square plus hxy plus xzg plus y hxy plus by square plus yzf plus z gzx plus fyz plus cz square. It means ax square plus by square plus cz square plus hxy 2hxy plus 2fyz fyz at yz fyz. It means 2fyz. Similarly, 2gzx. Okay, it means right side. Left is equal to right, hence proved. Okay. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in a next video. Thank you.